Suffering it all. I'm on this cleanse.
You're on a what?
I'm on a cleanse.
I do a goddamn thing.
It's good for you. I didn't know. You're supposed to take 6 shits a day.
That's not true.
It
You're
is
supposed
true.
to shit twice a day.
No, that's not true. That's what they used to do. Now they know you're supposed to shit 6 times a day.
So you're not drinking, you're not smoking weed, you're not...
I'm drinking. I'm on a cleanse. I'm on a psychotic. If you start eating gluten,
Yeah, fuck this shit. Fuck this simple.
whenever you feel shitty, that's because of gluten. That's not true. Who the
Oh,
fuck
no.
told you
Oh,
that
no.
gluten is true?
You don't even know what gluten is. No, you have no idea.
I don't know what gluten is. Gluten's a vague term. It's only used to categorize things in the back. You know, calories, that's a gluten. Fat, that's a gluten.
Somebody just told you you probably shouldn't eat gluten. You're like, oh, this is gluten. You eat that shit, huh?
Oh, God. I was better than the previous part.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, you like it?
Oh, no.
Damn, son.
Nice, huh?
This is how the other half lives.
Come on.
Amazing.
Your hockey table?
Jesus, perfect.
Okay, get ready, Jay. What? I have a little surprise for you, okay? This weekend you're gonna have Look at it, man.
Oh my, are you serious?
It's all your favorite things.
Starburst and airheads on a
Two joints. There's Jay and Jay's.
Seth Rogen, you are just the best people.
Well, I know you don't love it in LA, so I'm sure I'll make it. I'll move up your entry a little.
This is the transition. This is the much needed foreplay.
You guys like that?
Yo, this is...
3D television.
No, you didn't.
I got 3D DVD.
Are you serious? Oh my God.
Get it, man.
Okay, anyway. Oh my God,
Gandalf the Grey's pipe.
right? No shit.
Hello, little hobbits. Oh my God. Yeah. I'm a well-known homosexual advocate. Oh, you know what, actually? We should go to Franco's house. He's having a housewarming party. Just been building his house. I haven't even seen it yet. It's supposed to be home. I'm there every year. I'm here to show it to you. We can show together and we'll show it to other guys. We'll all show one big deal. But I don't know anybody else. He's the nicest guy in the world. He likes you so much. He specifically talks about how he likes you. I didn't know what he said. You know what? Jason was finished. There's no way he said that. Also, just Greg Robinson. Never heard of him. Hilarious. Sweats a lot. He's a great guy. So it's gonna be fun, man. For you, I will get my boss as soon as you want it. Okay? I won't get you. I won't know you.
Thank you.
There you go. Cool.
Thanks a lot.
Wow. This is crazy.
Yeah?
Yeah, man, right? Look at it.
That much.
I don't think it is a bit much. It's right on the
What is
money.
it, Pablo Escobar?
Come on, man. This is awesome. Jerry Haley's up there.
Oh, well, if you stop talking like you stop. Dad, so happy you're here. Hey, Johnny, what's up? Man, it's so James. Never forget it again, man. Good to see you. Good to see you. Come on in. Get out. You're great. Awesome, man. Designed it myself. Huh?
Really cool. This is beautiful, man.
It's like you two just stepped inside me.
You got us both come inside room. Yeah.
Icing on the cake. Check it out. Painted by myself.
Ah.
Side by side. A team.
Oh, shit.
So, is it weird?
No.
You sure?
I really like it.
What do you think, Jet? I'm not a big art guy. Art? Well, come on. You play video games?
Yes.
Guess what, buddy? You like art?
Yep.
You ever been to Subway?
Yes.
You order a sandwich? Somebody put that together for you, dude. That's art for big artists. Let me lay this on you, Jay.
Oh, fuck.
Your mama's pussy was the canvas, your dad's dick was the paintbrush. Boom, you're the art. Huh? Thanks, James Franco. You got it.
Wendy. Oh, you too. Long time. How's it going? You know what, Jay?
I met you. You look so good in $1 Million Baby.
That's amazing. Thank you so much for saying that.
Oh my god. If I look like I'm a salesman, I'm gonna blow my brains out. Fucking pale, 110 pounds, hairless, probably has a huge cock, doped out of his mind.
You can do a lot. You should. That's just trouble.
Maybe. How about you? Do you ever see a psychiatrist? That's not cool. Michael, that's not cool.
Say cheese, baby.
Where's he going? Where's he going? Jay Bear show?
Oh, there. Hey.
God,
How you doing, Jonah?
What are you doing?
Good. How you doing, buddy?
Welcome back.
This morning, and boy, are my arms tired. Dude, that's great. Thank you. Sick. What have you guys been doing?
Oh, we hung out all day, ate a bunch of dirty burgers, we smoked about a fucking pound of weed, and played a bunch of video games.
Weed is tight. Weed is tight. That's awesome.
Dog food sequence and Navy SEALs.
Sick reference. Oh, thank you. Your references are out of control. Everyone does that.
Hey, thanks, man.
I'm jealous. I would have been there in a heartbeat, but I actually just adopted this incognito spaniel. She's a really beautiful soul named Aja. Yeah. Ajai. You want to see a picture of her? Oh, she's so sweet. So she doesn't know how to bark. So I tried to teach her, and she just kind of screamed. And so she was had her face smushed against the cage, and I was like, ah!
Yeah, cool. Tell you what, boys, I'm kind of jonesing, so I'm going to find something I can burn the smoke off the website, right?
Oh, that's tight, dude. Honestly,
All right,
like